Assalamu alaikum Habibis, welcome back to the channel. Today I am diving into something every designer and content creator should know. Trending textiles. Whether you are creating thumbnails, posters or social media graphics, the right textiles can completely transform your designs and grab attention instantly. But here's the thing, textiles aren't just about looking good. They are about standing out, conveying motion and pulling viewers in. A bold, clean style might scream professional, while a flashy textured design could shout out fun and energetic. It's all depend on the vibe you are going for. Now you might be thinking, how do I create these styles? Do I need to spend hours experimenting in Photoshop? Well, the good news is you don't have to. I have made it super simple for you. I have put together a ready to use PSD template packed with customizable trending textiles. With just a few clicks, you can swap in your text, tweak the colors, and make it uniquely yours. Whether you are a pro or a beginner, this template will save you tons of time and effort. And here's the best part. If you are interested in getting these templates, just reach me out directly. You can contact me on WhatsApp or Instagram for more details. My contact information is in description below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your design game. Drop me a message on Instagram or WhatsApp and let's make your designs shine. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more design tips and resources. I will see you in next one.